I got the Black Pearl monster truck. I was a former wyotech graduate.
Did it ever cross your mind that it might not go the way you expected to? Or were you kind of like, you know what, this feels right, and you just jumped in?
I would say it was more of it felt right because I knew the monster trucks inside and out. Because I was the technician for many, many years. I was a crew chief for 9 years. And then I drove one of the gravedigger trucks for 2 years. So like I've been in the mechanic side of it and everything. And we won some big titles and things like that. I got crew chief of the year and stuff.
Amazing.
And so it's like I was kind of hitting all my goals and all my achievements that I could hit. And then, the independent side, it was kind of like the underdog coming in, or the black sheep or black horse or however you want to call it. But I called it Black Pearl.